Y'all, the Beach Waver Catwalk Collection, it's on sale. It's on sale. Get it now. I'm telling you, these things sell out so incredibly quickly. If this is something that you were wanting to buy for someone for Christmas, you need to buy it now. You need to click the link below and just get it now. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Mayday, mayday. Not only is this iron super precious and cute, it is the most functional hair tool I have ever used. And right now it's on a super good sale. You would not see it at a lower price before Christmas. I promise you that. Look at these curls. I'm going to link it below, and if you're smart, you'll buy several.